boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, and we back with a special video today, baby. You know what I'm saying? Last week, you know, when everybody was taking L's, you know, on those Union, you know, so them Union Jordan 1s, your boy Q, we definitely cooked up, man. You know what I'm saying? I tried to go ahead and get, you know, the size 13. You know, definitely sold out quick. Then I became a bot. Then, you know, some other fuck shit happened. But that's neither here nor there. Your boy went for the next logical size, went for that size 9. You know, the money size out here. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about it. We were able to cook up, baby. You know what I'm saying? So I want to get into a nice little review for you guys. Let y'all know my thoughts and opinions. You know what I'm saying? And we'll get right out. You know, we'll get right into it, man. You know, let's go. Let's get it. Yo, like, getting into the box, man. This is like my favorite box the Jordan brand has kind of did, man. This reminds me of what, the 2004 boxes that they used to do, and with some of the older retros, man. And I know everybody kind of thought this was gonna be like the Michigan 12P box, man. But if you look a little closely, you know what I'm saying, it's actually kind of a Nike box inverted with this top, man, which I thought that was just hella dope, man. You know what I'm saying? There's y'all, you know, size 9. Now my size, you know, we size 13 gang around here, but you see that Air Jordan Retro High NRG, size Union, Noah Special, white storm blue, varsity red. Right, getting into the box, open that thing up. Super dope wrapping paper. You got the Union / Air Jordan, dope, but we're here for these guys right here. Sneakers. Got a couple of laces, an extra set of these cream black joints, and the gold. You know what I'm saying? But get this box out the way. These the guys right here, man. The Union Air Jordan 1s, storm blue colorway, man. A lot of people are now saying these are like contenders for sneaker of the year. Hey, man, they might be up there for me, man. Couple of quick details. You can see the soft premium leather. You can see that, man, aged storm blue leather. Got that 2001 kind of suede swoosh happening here. Y'all can see that, which I thought was pretty cool. Chopped off the top, stitched in that bread one, you know, kind of upper with this little frayed, you know, kind of felt top up here. You know, they decided to give you the off-white vibes, chopping out the top with that exposed foam right there. But it is like kind of double sewn, as if like the regular tongue would be. Nike Air, you got that stitching all going all the way across the two tongues, man. And one thing that I did notice, so I would see all these around. Kind of had the opportunity to see both colorways, like just in person. Everybody would have like the double like color laces, and I thought that was like people, you know, how people were just kind of freaking these things and lacing them up. But nah, man, if you kind of see closely, the lace colors actually change as they get to the top of the shoe, which I thought was pretty cool. Got the Union LA tag, and then, you know, kind of similar to how, you know, the who was it, Nigel Sylvester Jordan 1s were going. Kind of got that bleached leather on the inside, man, giving you that gold finish all across to the top of the leather panels on the shoes, man. Super dope, man. Really quick review. These do got special insoles, kind of mimicking the, you know, the tissue paper in the inside of the box. You know what I'm saying? Comes with the Union Jordan, you know, specific pull tab, which I thought was pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a premium shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them, man. I think they're dope. You know what I'm saying? No on fees today, because I do not fit these joints. You know, but they will be finding an outstanding home rather short. So, yeah, man. That's it. That's it. You know what I'm saying? On the Union Jordan 1s, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. I like this shoe a way better and way more. Having now, you know, kind of had it in hand, kind of seeing it in person, man. this is definitely dope, man. And they definitely up their game. Union definitely up their game from last year's, you know, the gold top threes, the gold tools. You know, shout out to Frank Cook. You know what I'm saying? But these are the ones, man. I hearing people, you know, again, I'm hearing people say sneaker of the year. Hey, man, these are definitely a contender, man. If I had, you know, I was lucky enough to kind of get this blue colorway, man, and just to kind of see this in hand and in person and all that. But probably, for me, I'm probably gonna prefer that black toe, man. That black toe pair is just clean, man. Perfect Jordan 1. And I had, you know, having an OG black toes, and I'm not the biggest fan of that particular colorway. But those do something to me, man. You know what I'm saying? So these are definitely fire, man. Y'all let me know in that comment box, man. How y'all feel about these Union joints, man? Overhyped? You know what I'm saying? Are these overhyped, man? Y'all let me know in that comment box, man. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I think this is a clean shoe. Definitely a different concept. Adding a lot of the elements that everybody loving, you know, these days. The Virgil, you know, kind of, you know, destruct, make it yourself type vibes. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, I think they did it in a way that's tasteful and that's really gonna make a nice little shoe, a nice little, you know, joint that's gonna last a long time. And you gonna remember this joint, man. Black toes for me though. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, man. Yo, I told y'all, we back up in this thing. You know what I'm saying? And I know y'all see, you know, peep the drip. You know what I'm saying? You know, we got this boneyard. We gonna stay repping Chicago. I think these are fire. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this shirt too. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nah, but it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Y'all already know how we rockin' around here. It's Flu Gang TV, baby. Gang. The Chicago nigga.